Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a custom tracking URL in Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for this one, you're gonna need to simply install an integration of, you can say, like custom tracking. So let's just search in here for custom track, and then you can search that in your app store. A lot of integrations are related to this exact purpose. So you can see we have different kind of loyalty and all that tracking GMT stuff going on. You can try these, or what you can do is, if you cannot find anything useful here, you can go back and again head over to your app section, head over to apps and sales channel, and then you can find any reputed or that kind of, you can say, like custom tracking software and integrate it with Shopify using this develop apps option. So if you want to learn more about this, you can let me know in the comments below. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.